Emma! Jesus Christ. Jesus! Fuck! Oh, man. God, this night sucks ass. Emma, is that you? Yeesh, I don't want to fall off this. Well, that bodes ill. Fucking hell. Maybe there's something on here. Ah, Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck my life. Okay, you scared me.
Jacob.
You okay?
I guess you could call it that.
Oh, God.
What the fuck is going on?
Look, I don't know, okay? Some, bear attacked Nick and Abby back there.
Yeah, me too, but it definitely was not a bear.
What? Who? When?
Why?
Sorry, I'm glad you're okay.
Yeah, barely. I mean, the thing that attacked me at the treehouse was like...
What? It was like what, Emma?
like out of a horror movie.
Okay, well, it was probably just like a bear trying to defend itself, you know?
Oh, don't be a dick. You know it wasn't a fucking bear.
No, you're right. And now we have these fucking the hunters running all over the place, so that's a fun new wrinkle.
What?
Look, don't ask.
Okay, we've got to get out of these woods.
Yeah, no shit, Sherlock.
You know, Jacob, you don't have to be a dick about literally everything.
Shit. Okay, you know what? You're right. Okay? You're right. I'm sorry.
Ugh, you're so annoying.
Oh my God, can we please not do this right now? Okay, seriously? I literally came looking for you as soon as I heard there was something out here.
Or things, like plural.
Wait, really? Ah, shit! Ah, 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 ah. Look, you could. Ah!
Is she like one of those hunter dudes?
I don't think so.
You okay?
I don't know who that other girl was. I've never seen her before.
Me neither. But her?
Yeah. That's Kaylee Hackett.
Mr. H's daughter? I thought she went home with her brother.
Kaylee. Yeah. I thought so too.
Oh man. Poor Kaylee.
Nick.
You smell so good.
You alright there, bud? Maybe dial it back a bit, huh?
Fuck off, Caitlin.
Whoa!
Nick, what are you.
I want to taste you.
Hey!
Come here.
Ugh, Nick, what the hell? Ugh, get off! Ugh, watch out! I said get off! Nick? Are you okay? I just wanted him to stop.
Nick, dude.
I got him.
What did I do?
I don't know.
He's so cold.
Okay, let's get him in the pool house. Dry him off.
Just try to rest.
Fuck. I'm sorry.
Quit moving so much. It's pretty clean from what I could tell. I mean, it's not bleeding. But you need to see a doctor. Look, this is all I've got left from the nurse's station.
Ooh, fun.
You better hope we find you some real help before they wear off. We need to be keeping a record of everything that happens. For the police.
Yeah, dead girl in the pool needs some explaining, huh?
Easy, man.
Maybe like photos, whatever we can. I've got a funny feeling the cops are not going to want to believe any of this crazy shit unless we've got some hard proof.
From now on, if you got your phone and you see something, take a photo or a video or whatever.
Yeah. You okay over there, Abby? Look, why don't you look around and see if you can find anything to help make Nick more comfortable?
Here. That better?
Thanks.
Hey. This place was so different like 12 hours ago. I wonder where Caleb is.
Yo, something is not right with that boy.
Dude is real sick.
Did you see how he freaked out in the water?
Yeah, he was like a fish out of water. Right?
Sure.
You know, something was weird when I tried to clean his wounds, too, at the lodge.
What do you mean?
Well, all of his clothes were bloody, but I couldn't find where he was bit, or scratched, or whatever. He just kept moving around, like he didn't want me to see how badly he was hurt.
Huh.
Rabies?
He's not frothing at the mouth.
I think Abby would beg to differ.
Point.
Yeah, and isn't aquaphobia a symptom of rabies?
Hydrophobia, yeah. But I think it's more about a fear of drinking, not just getting wet. This was like,
Like my cat in the bathtub.
yeah.
Abby,
Yeah?
can I ask you something?
Of course.
Do you like me?
Nick.
Please, just tell me.
I've really enjoyed spending time with you this summer.
That's such a...
Such what?
Such a cop-out answer. Abby,
What?
I've got something to ask you.
Yeah. Okay.
Why don't you like me, Abby?
Nick, I do like you.
No. No, you don't. You don't like me at all, do you?
What do you mean?
Tell me the truth.
I am telling you the truth.
God. I sure know how to pick 'em.
What?
Not really very smart, are you? Poor stupid Abby.
Stop.
Easy pickings. Right off the bone.
This isn't you. I mean, this isn't you.
Whoa!
Whoa, Abby!
Abby, everything okay?
Holy shit.
The fuck is everyone? Okay. So,
If I were a counselor at an off-season camp, partying around a bonfire, and it started to rain, and there were monsters, I would go to the lodge. Gotta get out of here.
Cuts you, you know about. Come on! Do it!
I've never done this before, Pop.
Let's do it fast, that's it. God damn. God damn these fucking kids. Son, what? Hey, stop. Stop squirming. Give me the tray.
Is she bit, Pop?
How am I supposed to know? I don't know. Let me look at her. Nah.
Get the fuck away from me!
Oh!
Caitlin! Ryan! Abby!
This doesn't feel safe.
Abby? Ryan? killed him. I killed him.
I mean, dead people don't usually jump out of windows and run into the forest.
I just don't get it. That was not Nick. And where the hell are Jacob and Emma? Don't you think we should have run into them again by now?
Well, they're probably just boinking their brains out in some cabin somewhere.
I don't know, man. Something fucked up is going on. The hunters, Chris running off, Nick.
Kaylee.
Oh, God. Kaylee. Whoa. Hey!
Oh, shit.
Where the fuck is Chris Hackett?
Who's there?
I need your help. Please.
Who are you?
My name is Laura Kearney.
So?
Don't let me in. It's not safe out here.
Yeah, there's a crazy woman with a gun killing people.
I'm not killing people.
Holy shit, Laura Kearney? You're Laura Kearney?
Yes?
You were supposed to be working, helping out in the nurse's office, right? And you never showed up? You and the guy, what's his name?
Max?
Yes, Max. Yeah. Mr. Hackett said that you had changed your mind last minute. I think that we should listen to her inside.
Okay, I'm gonna open the door slowly. Just keep your hands up, okay?
Okay.
Here we are again. Just you and me. Why don't we take another look at what you've found? Did you look hard enough? These cards aren't just trinkets. You should know this by now. They can help you. I can help you. Off you go then. Top. One down, remember. Isn't that terribly exciting?